Let's bring in meteorologist Alan Rose with a check of our weather. And Alan, how are things looking out there?
Well, Tony, we're looking good here. This is what it looks like right now in Vail Pass, where we saw around 5 to 10 inches of snow accumulate in the overnight hours. I've done this drive in these conditions. It is going to be slow going. Look at that semi truck and maybe a tow truck really going slow. This will be a white knuckle drive this morning into the mountains. Look at some of these snow totals across our state's ski areas. Copper Mountain, the winter at 10 inches. Monarch seeing 8 inches of fresh pow-pow throughout the past 24 hours. 7-inch reports for Breck, Ski Cooper, and Winter Park, and Vail coming in with 4 inches. Now we could add on another 2 to 6 inches in most areas before that snow tapers off later today. All right, let's get you out the door locally, starting at around 35 in the spring, so you'll want to layer up this morning. Notice most of the wintry weather well off to our west or up across northern parts of the state. We're just seeing a few fair weather clouds here, and that's going to be the story into the afternoon. Right now we have 18 on the map in Pueblo, 41 in Walsenburg thanks to some wind, a little bit more mild down here, 32 in Colorado City, and 13 in Alamosa. The breezes are going to be a bit on the strong side today in the Springs, up near 30 miles per hour. Could see gusts even stronger than that into the mountain areas, with temperatures today into the upper 40s and lower 50s on the plains. More mild air mass will bring us some really nice weather conditions on Friday, as that wind will be quite a bit weaker tomorrow versus today. And then we have the first of 2 winter storms that move across the area, neither looking too significant, but the cold front that moves in Saturday night will be potent in terms of the cold air that follows for the day on Sunday. Then as we look towards early next week, I see dry conditions Monday, but watching Tuesday for a slightly more organized storm system. Now let's do Futurecast this weekend, starting out Saturday morning, even into the afternoon with dry skies. So I don't know about you, but I did the indoor decorations yesterday. It looks like Saturday would be the day to do the outdoor decorations, as by Saturday night we get this fast-moving system. Now most of the heavier snow I think is going to be north of us or into the mountains. On the eastern plains, a very shallow layer of cold air will need to be watched closely. This could be some freezing rain that develops into the southeastern part of the state. Whatever snow we see here locally comes to an end early Sunday morning, and even though we're dry by Sunday afternoon, it is going to be considerably colder as we wrap up the weekend. Highs today on the up and up. This is the up part of the forecast as we go from the 40s today to the 50s on Friday. Still relatively mild Saturday before that cold front arrives into the evening hours, with a chance for some lightly scattered snow showers. If I had to put a range on an estimate here, I don't think we're going to see accumulations in all areas, but maybe a dusting to an inch in the Pikes Peak region. For Pueblo, we'll see temps here in the 50s through Saturday. Check out Sunday, only warming to 38. Then another colder system Tuesday with some light snow and highs in the 30s. For Canyon City, nice and mild start to that extended forecast, but turning colder as we look towards Sunday and early next week. And for Woodland Park, temperatures here in the 40s, even the 50s on Friday, and then much colder by Sunday and Monday. Tuesday, that's that secondary system with a high of 27 and more light snow in the forecast.